What up, YouTube and all my Ryker riders? Got a new one in at the Ryker Hospital. Check it out. We're gonna put these big cannons So basically what we're doing right now is we're setting up the whole complete system, testing out the amp and the speakers to make sure they're all working properly. So that is going to be important before you decide to start screwing and mounting everything in. This wiring was a complete wiring kit, so it came with everything you need to install, run the wires, hook up the Bluetooth. Just doing the pilot holes, ready to set it up so the speakers can be mounted. Yeah, the color's done. Okay, day 2. Got the speakers installed, about to run the wiring, and we're gonna put the Bluetooth up here. Power is all hooked up, and now we're running everything from the battery to the speakers to make sure everything turns on properly. Screwed. No, I can't hear nothing. Hold on, don't turn on the radio yet. I gotta re-record this. Put the amp in. So the amp is in there. You can't really see, it's dark. Let me come around. Okay, so we drilled holes. And the amp is already set up.
No, the bike though.
Bike looks good. Bike looks good.
Alright,
So the clips are gonna be removed because the amp is gonna go in the trunk, so we have to remove the amp's gonna go in the front, so we have to remove the front, which means taking off all the panels and making access.
and you have a 600 watt amp, so it's using its max potential to even play these. So the bigger watts you get on the amp, the louder they go.
Okay, yeah, so they say it's 600, but truthfully it's probably like 5.
Not bad.
Cause you're trying to stay
So that's the max?
away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that
Super easy if you wanted to.
Another happy customer from the Ryker doctor.